Hi, buddies! It's me, Titi! Today we are going to make strawberry banana frozen yogurt popsicles! I love a nice refreshing popsicle on a hot day. Before we begin, remember that Titi wants you to be extra safe. So make sure you always have a grown-up there in the kitchen to help out. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. To start, I've got my blender right here, and I'm going to add 2 cups of chopped strawberries. You can use fresh strawberries if you have them, or feel free to use frozen strawberries because those work just as well. Now I'll add 1 chopped up banana. Next up, let's do 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. And now 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And last but not least, 1 tablespoon of honey. Now I'm gonna add just about a 1/4 cup of water to help make things mix up a little bit better. And keep a little bit more water on the side in case you need to make it a little more liquidy. Now let's put the lid on the blender and mix it up. Let's see how that turned out. We want to blend it until it's nice and smooth, basically like a smoothie. Yep, this looks perfect to me. Now with this recipe, we are going to make 6 4-ounce popsicles. So take out your popsicle mold and simply pour in your mixture. I'm gonna leave a little bit of room at the top so that I can put the handle in and leave the popsicles room to expand in the freezer. Wow, this took almost no time at all. The last step is to put in our popsicle handles. If your popsicle molds don't come with their own sticks, feel free to use wooden popsicle sticks instead. And there you have it. Time to put our popsicles into the freezer to chill for at least several hours until they're hard enough to remove from the mold and eat. Our strawberry banana yogurt popsicles are all frozen up, so now it's time to taste them. Let's see how they turned out. Ooh, looks terrific. That's extra good. The strawberries are so juicy and delicious, and the yogurt that we put in gives it a slight bit of creaminess that's just perfect. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast making these delicious strawberry banana yogurt popsicles, and I hope you will have fun making your own popsicles at home. I think you'll find that it's very quick and easy, and they taste even better than what you can buy in the grocery store. I'll see you again soon.